Good evening, everybody, and thanks a ton for coming on Saturday in the evening. I think before I start, all of you would agree with me that Shraddha was truly outstanding along with the Bandaloops team today. So I think we should really give her a big round of applause for actually coming through, putting this together and looking so effortless and weightless. So I think on that note, what we've tried to do at Lakme is come up with new trends, and for the first time we're also presenting it in an innovative manner. I hope all of you have liked it, and me and my team on Lakme will keep trying to push the boundary in terms of bringing to life what we launch in really interesting ways so that you find it enjoyable and really find the products worth the ideas that we put out with. Lakme 9 to 5, as all of you know, is for almost everyone in this room, which is the dynamic office-going women, and from all the consumer work we do, all of you sitting here are extremely demanding. So some of the things that you really expect from a foundation is, I like to apply a foundation, but it shouldn't look made up. So I should have the makeup, shouldn't look made up, shouldn't be heavy. So with that difficult brief, what we're really bringing out to you is a revolutionary product, which is the 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. I'd urge all of you to try it. You will feel how light and how weightless it is. And if we've gone the extra mile in trying to explain weightless by suspending Shraddha from the 15th floor, trust me, we are extremely confident that the product lives exactly to this truth. So hopefully, as you use the product, you really begin to enjoy it. And it will set a new trend in what has been a low innovation category of foundation.
Lakme's 9 to 5. Well, I think with that, the floor is open to some questions. I'm sure you have tons of them. Both Mr. Sundaram and Shraddha will be happy to address them, and the mics can come around. Just raise your hand if you have any kind of...
Hello, Shraddha, सबसे पहले आपको बहुत-बहुत बधाई. इतना रोमांचक आपने दिखाया हम लोगों को स्टंट. लेकिन कितनी रोमांचक. लेकिन कितनी प्रैक्टिस करी, कितना डर लगा, कुछ बताइए उसके बारे में. कैसे किया?
First of all, hello everyone, and thank you for being here. It's very, very exciting to have a launch of this kind, to get a visual representation of this fabulous product, which is the 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. Thank you so much, Lakme, for asking me if I would like to be suspended off the top of a building. At first I was like, okay, I have a massive height phobia. How is this going to happen? So I put that across to them, but then they were like, just come and give it a try. We have this fabulous vertical dance group with us called Bandaloop, who's come down from America. And if you don't feel good in the rehearsal, you don't have to do it. And back to your question, we had 2 days of 2 दिन थे, लेकिन about 2 hours पहले दिन पे, on the second day it was a very quick rehearsal. Actually जो team थी, the Bandaloop team and the rigging team also, Natura, they made me feel so good and so confident. उनके जो safety procedures है, in terms of when they harness you or when they take you up, पहले टेस्ट करते कि पहले माले पे जाके कुछ she's not feeling scared or anything, no, so they build you up gradually, and the training was actually, मैं बहुत excited हो गई जब मुझे 6th floor तक लेके गए, तो that's when I felt कि this is a lot of fun. And these girls, you saw the girls, they were unbelievable. So basically just getting lots of encouragement from them was very nice. It was really, really nice.
तो वेटलेस मतलब क्या क्या व्हाट यू फील, मतलब इसके क्या आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि वेटलेस और आपने इसको यूज़ किया तो कैसे?
जी बिल्कुल, तो मैं अपने लिए बोलूँगी, आई एम एन एक्ट्रेस और हमारे जो वर्किंग आवर्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही इराटिक होते हैं। भले ही एक 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं हो, कभी कभार वी हैव टू वर्क फॉर 12 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours and if you have something, see we wear makeup a lot, it's a part of our profession, बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है to be an actress। तो जब आपके पास एक प्रोडक्ट है जो इतना वेटलेस फील करता है आपके स्किन पर, then you feel like you can wear it for hours and you feel fresh all the time, you don't feel कि heaviness या cakiness आपके face पे है। तो वो जो हिस्सा है, that attention is gone from your thinking। तो weightlessness वही होता है, light जो texture है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है, it's in a mousse form, very easy to use and you have a few shades which you can choose from। So yeah, it's amazing.
You started your career with Aditya Roy Kapoor in Aashki 2. Recently, Fitur trailer was launched with Katrina. So, did you see the trailer and how did you react to it?
You know I've seen the trailer and you're still...
No, I don't know. I mean...
Yes, of course I saw the trailer. It's a very nice trailer. I also tweeted about it. It's a really lovely trailer.
All good. Happy New Year first of all.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year to everyone, by the way.
Shraddha, what was
actually,
your...
sorry. I think post the 5th or 6th of Jan, people forget to wish Happy New Year, no? Because then they feel like all the wishing is done. Sorry.
Yeah, but we've not met you before,
Yeah.
so we thought we'd wish you now. Okay, so what was your feeling like when you were told that, you know, this is what you have to do at the launch? When they kind of briefed you about it, any sort of thought process that you went through and you would like to share with us today?
I was very excited. I was so excited because where do you get a chance to hang off the top of a building? मौका मिलता है? No ना? तो I was like, यार try करते हैं। हाँ? कौन लटका? अभी जा रहे हो बिल्डिंग से लटकने? आ जाओ, हम फिर से जाते हैं साथ में। तो it's superb, it's amazing. I would say कि anybody gets a chance to do that, to feel weightless, you must grab that opportunity. एक ही जिंदगी है यार, why not?
इस तरह का कोई एक्शन आपकी अपकमिंग मूवी में आप करती हुई नजर आओगी?
ये तो already I think actually this is the first time anybody is doing anything like this for a brand association, na? Yeah. Isn't it? So that's cool, no? So I think कि I'll speak about this act today that we did. बहुत मज़ा आया करके and I think कि एक बहुत ही memorable launch रहेगा because of that. And अभी एक टेस्ट मिल गया है बिकॉज ऑफ लैक्मे 95 वेटलेस मूस फाउंडेशन, तो एक अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया है. सो देन व्हाई नॉट डू इट इन माय मूवीज एज वेल. या
इंडस्ट्री में तो लैक्मे की फेस थी, अभी भी आप फिर से मतलब लैक्मे की फेस हो, तो क्या आप अपने आप में कितनी ग्रो हुई लैक्मे के थ्रू, ये बताएं थोड़ा सा.
आई थिंक बहुत स्पेशल महसूस होता है जब जो प्रोडक्ट्स आपके घर पे ही होते हैं एंड यू बीन यूजिंग देम, फिर एक दिन कॉल आता है कि दे वांट यू टू बी द फेस ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट, तो वो बहुत ही स्पेशल फीलिंग होती है. एंड लैक्मे इज़ अ वेरी, what do you call it, nobody doesn't know about Lakme, especially the Indian woman. It's such an important part of an Indian woman's shelf, you know, at home. So I am one of those women also, and to come back after that beginning, जब था हमारा association था तब बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत special association है. हमने अभी I think काफ़ी ads भी shoot किया है. I've lost track of how many ads we've shot. उम्मीद है कि और भी special ads हम shoot करेंगे और ये association लंबा रहेगा. I hope for that. Thank you.
Pretty much clarified all their queries. You've answered it all very articulately. And like she said earlier, it couldn't be a more fitting launch where you literally visually saw what Weightless is all about, and that's what the product stands for. Shraddha and Mr. Sundaram, your words truly prove that you can go weightless and still leave a lasting impact. Thank you once again for that.
Can I just add something? Sorry.
Please go ahead.
Because मैं इतनी excited हूँ, I just want to say a big thank you to the entire Lakme team. Thank you so much again. It's very rare to get an opportunity to do this, to hang off the top of the building. A big thank you to Bandaloop, जो group है America से जो आए, they were unbelievable. And a big thank you to Natura also, who made me feel very, very safe. And I hope to see all of them again. It'll be nice. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Shraddha Kapoor and Mr. Sundaram. I'm sure you could have done better than that. Come on, one nice loud round of applause. And with that, we come to the end of a wonderful weightless evening. If you want to experience weightless the way Shraddha does, then try out the new Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. For all those women who go out there and face the world every single day, it's time to take the burden off your face, your skin. Feel flawless with this Weightless Mousse Foundation. No more layers, no more masks, just your skin the way you want it to feel, weightless. And as Shraddha poses for those last few photographs, thank you once again. We hope you've had a wonderful time.